Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be solving exponential equation. X plus 3 divided by x equals 6. Answer, x plus 3 divided by x equals 6. Then LCM x square plus 3 divided by x equals 6. X square plus 3 equals 6x. Then x square equals 6x minus 3. Now x square plus 18 divided by x equal x square equals 6x minus 3 plus 18 divided by x equal LCM x into 6x minus 3 plus 18 equal 6x square minus 3x plus 18 divided by x equal 6 into x square equals 6x minus 3 minus 3x plus 18 divided by x equal 36x minus 18 minus 3x plus 18 divided by x plus 18 minus 18 cancel, then equal 36x minus 3x divided by x equal 33x divided by x. X cancel equal 33. X square plus 18 divided by x equal 33. Thus our answer, x square plus 18 divided by x equal 33.